Hey ghouls and witches, it's me, Haunt Girl Nikki, writing solo today at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas Media Night. We were invited out by Brad and Amanda. Thank you guys so much for inviting us out again. I am so excited to see what they have in store. If you guys don't know, Sir Henry does do a holiday themed haunt, which is right behind me. I am very excited to go in, and they just started letting the queue line up, so let's go! One of us. So the gates have finally opened here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas. So many things already happened. I already saw Krampus walking around, I already saw an evil gingerbread man, a nutcracker on stilts. It's already going crazy in here. I'm so excited to see the trails. We're gonna take a quick look at the swag shop really quick. Some fun socks are up for grabs. Cool little beanie action. Oh, I like these socks. They have like Sir Henry Haunted Christmas on it. So festive. Some fun Christmas ornaments. I believe they had these available during the Halloween event as well. And of course, the reason we're all here, the Sir Henry's trilogy is also available for purchase here at the event. Fun magnets and some stickers up for grabs. I'm loving this coffee mug actually. It's so cute, and it's like a nice size to this matte black. I love this. So cool. Oh, cute. They're having a nice little dinner watching us all get scared. Awesome. They also have their spooky eats open during the event. Quick look at the menu from the spooky eats. Grilled cheese, looks yummy. Christmas cookies, ooh. Cake pops, Rice Krispie treats. Fun little snackaroos. Ooh, hot apple cider. I love me a good hot apple cider. And a cider float. Ooh, I'll be back. Is that the same as them?
No.
What's that?
A microphone.
Ooh! What does that do?
It gets all these nice sounds you're making.
Ooh! Ah! Did it get that?
It did. It absolutely did.
Here we go! I just feel like I'm holding a torch. Oh, it's snowing! Oh my goodness!
They all left me!
Oh no!
Please help! This is the only safe place for all the creatures!
Oh no!
Don't leave like the rest of them!
Pretty lights. Hello? Ah! I don't like that sound. I don't like that sound. I don't know. Where are you coming from?
Creatures are coming for us!
Oh no! Ah!
We're all gonna be frozen!
Too big. Too big. Too big. Oh, hello. Oh. So cool. Up. Gotta watch. Sif. Oh, Jack Frost. Hello. Where am I going? Okay, this way. Oh, hello. Hello.
It's so warm and over. I'll cool you down.
Loud bang. Hello. Oh, hello.
Come on, Sarah. The joke's not funny anymore. Your dad's gonna kill me if he finds out I lost you, Sarah.
Oh, it's dark.
Very dark.
It's very radar. Is that a fish? I don't. It is a fish.
Have you seen my daughter Sarah? Nope.
No, no, but haven't seen a Sarah. Ah!
Have you seen Sarah?
No.
No, not Sarah.
Sorry, I didn't mean to lose her.
You found her yet?
Are you Sarah? Sarah! On a personal quest to find Sarah. Oh, that's not Sarah. Ooh, that one's not Sarah either.
Just trying to.
Oh!
So aggressive.
Not in there. Not in there. Oh. Hello. Okay. Ooh. This is not. This was a mistake. I told you this wasn't a good idea. But no, it's a mistake. Ooh. Hello. Oh, that's so big.
They hit it! They got Sarah!
It's like Animal Kingdom, it doesn't move.
Make it. What have you done? Come on, Sarah! No! Sarah!
Hello? Oh, hello.
The expedition succeeded.
Oh.
Creatures are real. I need more.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Control and explores is only the safest path ahead.
Oh.
I guarantee it. We only have these
I trust her.
promises.
I don't believe you.
I trust her. Hello. Ooh. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. I didn't like that. Hey guys, I just got done with Creatures of Christmas, the first trail here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas, and wow, I don't think I've ever seen them utilize that trail in particular for anything else besides the Halloween season. It's the very like nautical themed trail that has all the boats. I believe it's like Creatures of the Deep or something during their regular Halloween haunt, but they turned it into Christmas for this event, and it was so good. They had giant creatures, they had an abominable snowman, Yeti, a giant Krampus animatronic that got me really good. It was just great. I think Jack Frost was in there too. All like the creatures you can think of when you think of Christmas, those were in this trail. That was awesome. Here we go. Loud noises. Oh, what the?
I don't even know what that was.
Hello. Where is Santa? Oh, Santa!
Hurry! You'll end up like me! Hurry!
We gotta hurry. Where am I going? Oh my god, we're in the woods. Ooh, I like the lights.
The thing I like about this one is it's a real haunted trail.
We are in the woods, folks. Oh, there it goes. Chainsaw. There's a chainsaw. Oh, hi. How are you liking it so far? It's great. You got chainsaws. That's always good.
Oh yeah, of course. We had to start it off great, right?
Yeah.
Bro, you're being too loud. Well, I'm gonna start going with some info. I'm taking over this year because Santa's, we don't need him.
As you should.
Yeah, of course.
I will take your names off the good list and put them on the naughty list if I have to.
Oh.
You will not receive
Christmas town. Yay, Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Hello.
What are you doing here? I can't find the cocoa.
pulling up his suit, it looks like. Is he running around naked? Those are his pants, trousers. Cut your own Christmas tree. I want to cut my own Christmas tree. That sounds fun.
Yeah, there is.
Yep.
I'm excited about it.
Oh, that's not a real person. Oh, I hear jingle bells. Hello. Donation.
And I need them more than you do.
Probably true.
You think I want to be out here? But I would need donations with an article.
Sif.
Make it somehow.
Oh.
Cut! Stop! Yeah, I bet this guy over here can do a much better job than you. You think that he can do a better job than me? Yeah, I do! Listen to my singing, guys.
Some constructive criticism happening. Hi!
Sad you didn't drop it low in church.
Oh, I should have.
Where'd they go?
In memory.
Hello?
I know you think you're getting something for Christmas, don't you? Don't you?
Oh boy.
Well, guess what?
What?
You're not.
Oh.
You know why?
Why?
Because Psych said you can't.
I'm not getting anything for Christmas. Rude. Okay. Christmas tree. Oh my. It's hard. I love that we actually get to like, be in the middle of like a foresty area here. Oh, hello.
That was awesome.
Ooh, your children screaming.
Hey, you know what Psych Man got you for Christmas?
What?
You're gonna love it.
Uh-oh.
So excited.
That doesn't sound great.
A lot of child labor in this house.
Right? They got real elves working.
Can you fix me?
I don't think I can. Oh.
I said fix me. Why would you fix me?
I think I'm too broken. Or is that too dark of a joke for this? Oh, I heard like growling.
Big son, what's going on there?
Hello.
I'm gonna get to you, Daddy! I'm gonna get to you, Daddy! What is he? What is he? What is he? What is happening?
Does the zappy zap always gets me?
That's a lot.
And I'm dead.
That's not a real person.
You're not Santa.
Oh my goodness. Staple gun.
Let me out of here right now.
Oh my god, they got Mrs. Claus. They mean business. Correct. Ouch. Looks like a headache.
It looks like Ashley wants AirPods for Christmas. But is she gonna get them? No! Because she's naughty.
Sorry, Ashley, you're not getting your AirPods.
Everyone for Christmas is naughty! Yes, that's not a naughty. That's a naughty. That's not loving!
Who's really naughty?
Little one!
They don't have a healthy work-life balance going on here. Oh boy.
You want to know how bad?
Love it when I can't see. Hello.
It's not going to end badly.
No. This is, oh, hello. Hello. One of these things is not like the other. Oh, I don't like that giggling sound.
Alright, well that was a fake out.
You made it.
Aww. I want to boop the soup.
What are you looking for, toys? We don't have toys here. here. Only reindeer. Chilling. Hey! Stop blitzing! Keep it moving, man. All day.
Poor
What are you waiting for, Halloween? Keep going.
Always, baby.
That thing's moving.
What are you still doing here? You're supposed to have left by now.
Poor Blitzen, I'm sorry, buddy.
Blitzing. Stop. Blitzing. We'll meet you when you're ready.
We made it. Hey guys, I just got done with our second and final trail of the night, Sleigh Bells. This is where they usually have Krampus Knot, and also the Werewolf Trail was for Halloween this past season. Wow, I love how they utilize the woodsy area, make you really feel like you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, very isolated while there's still some creatures coming after you. This one was very elf-centered, and they had some evil elves taking over the North Pole. They kidnapped Mrs. Claus, they had her in a jail cell, they had Blitzen back there, they wouldn't let him go. I felt so bad for him, but it was so cute. They had some kids working as some elves in this trail, and you can tell they're having a great time scaring some people, which is always awesome. But yeah, it's evil elves, you can't do any better than that. So it's not open tonight for media night, but they will have a laser tag for Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas that you can come check out during the regular operation for this season. They don't have this trail for the Haunted Christmas going, but they did deck it out with Merry Krampus and a Krampus projection on the house with also Christmas lights going. Makes a really awesome photo op. They do have the escape room going for media night and also be available during the regular Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas. It's called Frosty's Great Escape, which Frosty is that snowman that's running around. They also got some axe throwing going on and pictures with Santa.
I love it.
This is the elves.
There you go.
All right. The manager.
Have fun, guys.
He's one of our newer characters for this haunt. Okay guys, so that wraps up my night here at Sir Henry's Haunted Christmas. Before I go, I wanted to give you guys some information about the haunt. So they are going to be open for December 8th and 9th, and then the 15th, 16th, and 17th. To come, you need to buy your tickets ahead of time. I already have the link in the description below, but if you need to, it's just sirhenry.com. Pick your tickets, you choose your entry time and everything from there. Come out, it's a great haunt, and it's holiday season, and it's spooky. What else do you need here? But it was a great time, lots of great characters roaming around. The trails are fantastic. There's snow here in Florida. What else can you ask for? But until next time guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Bye!